Good morning from a chilly Dallas, Texas, folks. What's the deal, man? I flew into Johnson City, Tennessee, and it was like 83 degrees. Now I fly into Dallas, Texas, and it's like 50 degrees. Right? I'm Coach Michael Burt. I believe everybody needs a coach. I believe a good coach can change everything. I like to bring these rhythms to you in the morning to get you going. And these also go to YouTube and other places. So thank you for following me, number one. I'm outside by the pool right now, if you can see, here in Dallas, Texas. And I was just thinking this morning, because every morning when I get up, I think about how do we create opportunity? Right, Christy White? How do we create opportunity? How do we create opportunity? How do we create opportunity? Right? And a lead is just a person that has been exposed to your product or service that is interested or could be interested in your product and service. But what if they didn't even know about your product and service? What if they don't know who you are? What if they don't know what you do, Mary? What if they have an awareness of you but not a deep awareness of you? So when I think about opportunity, Doug Martin, I start thinking about how do I get in front of more people and attract those people to me and create leads. And the way I do that is by using speaking as a strategy to get in front of people, okay? I use speaking as a strategy to get in front of people. Now, to get in front of people, you have to have a concept. You have to be able to solve a problem for them. You have to be able to deliver some value for them. You have to come up with a concept that they would be interested in. You got to actually get in front of them and bring some value, right? So I want you to start thinking as the way I create opportunity, i.e. leads for my business, is I want to get in front of people and have something valuable to say to those people, right? I want to have a concept. I want to have a message. I want to have a mission. I want to have some, right? See, the way I generate leads is I speak. Like today I'm speaking in Dallas. Then I'm going to fly to Houston, Texas. Then I'm going to speak 2 more times. Then I'm going to wait a couple days. Then I'm going to speak again. And that's going to put me in front of 500 to 1,000 people in Houston. It's going to put me into X number of people in Dallas. Right now I'm speaking to you. So I use speaking as a strategy to drive leads. It's the whole reason I created the Michael Burt School of Speaking, Coaching, and Publishing. And at first, it was literally just to teach people the business of speaking. Now it has become, how do I teach people how to come up with great concepts? How do I teach people how to get in front of people at webinars? How do I teach people how to drive 3,000 leads in 90 days through speaking? How do I teach people how to get on stages through speaking? How do I teach people how to build coaching programs and products? Like yesterday I was talking to my buddy Tim Story, his team, Joseph, and we're talking about doing a big virtual event together that could have thousands of people on it. Why? D. Hodges, we're speaking. And I am convinced, guys, that the number one way for you to generate leads, number one way for you to generate business, right, Mama Mayo, the number one way for you to generate enthusiasm for your brand is being in front of people and using speaking as a strategy. And that strategy is to let them see how you can help them go deeper. And that's the fastest way to do it, man. No Facebook ad will do it, Ryan Chikelli. No Instagram ad will do it. No anything will activate the drive in a person to want to go deeper with you, literally, than you being in front of people and having something valuable to say. You got a message, you got a concept, you got a mission, and that message, that concept, and that mission helps them solve something in their life. Now, let me give an example. Yesterday I was in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, speaking to Title Association. My whole objective of that speaking engagement was to go deep enough, to activate their interest in wanting to be interested in their potential. Then to say, look, I'd like to go with you on this journey. I'd like to guide you and coach you on this journey. I'd like to help you for 90 days on this journey to reach your potential, to go deeper toward where you're, to give you a path on how to build your business, to give you a path on how to grow, to give you a path on how to activate your prey drive every day. See, there's got to be a correlation between you getting in front of people, you having a message, and you asking those people to go with you on a journey. And you to guide them, Sherry, toward where they're trying to go. So speaking is my number one strategy, guys. It's my number one way I drive leads. It's my number one way I get customers. It's my number one way I build enthusiasm, Deborah. It's my number one way. Now, Mark said something. The other person is very critical, absolutely. And when you study the competence models, you know, unconscious incompetence, conscious incompetence, conscious incompetence, right? Then you go up to unconscious competence. Well, some people don't even know what they don't know. They don't know that they need a coach. They don't know they need to get their health together. They don't know until somebody walks into their life and opens their mind, Sergio, on how they can do it and how you can help them do it. They're unaware. They may have an awareness, but not a deep awareness. So I want to encourage you, if you're out there and you ever thought about speaking, if you get up in front of people and you speak and you say, man, I want to craft a message. I want to figure out how to drive leads. I want to do something bigger. What's up, Amanda? I want to learn how to drive large numbers of leads at one time through this strategy. Then you would be a prime candidate, guys, to come with me to the Michael Burt School of Speaking, Coaching, and Publishing. Learn how to do it like the pros do it, man. Learn how to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars from speaking. Learn how to go in an opportunity broker. Learn how to go in and find a relationship, Thomas C. Davidson, that could turn into something you never even imagined. This is what I'm teaching at that MB school. Speak to be a person of interest. Get in front of people and be a person of interest, and then attract opportunity, and then follow up on that opportunity and put deals together. Man, I've got deals, technology deals you guys couldn't even imagine. We got Success School deals with Kelly Eisler you couldn't even imagine. We've got an insurance agency that's growing like crazy, wouldn't imagine. We've got CRM company here in Dallas, Texas, you wouldn't imagine. See, it all happened. All of it happened for one reason. Me getting in front of people with a message, man. And me getting those people excited about their future. Me opening up their mind to possibility. And then those people going, I want to do something with you. And I'm like, great, step over here, step over here, step over here. It all starts with speaking. That is called what we call opportunity brokering. Right, Michelle? That's what I'm teaching people. Get in front of people, shake some opportunity loose, man. I don't care what your product or service is. I'm telling you, I've been doing this for 30 years, guys. If you said to me, the only thing you could do, coach, there's only one thing you could do, I would tell you, is get in front of a group of people with a message and have something for them to take advantage of. That's what I'm telling you. So, I'm in Dallas, Texas. I'm freezing cold because it's outside. I thought it would be warm. And we're about to get it cranked up here, folks, because I'm speaking this afternoon. Hope you're doing great. Everybody needs a coach. Love you. I'm Coach Michael Burt. You guys have a great day.
Before I get started, there is one very important question I have to ask you.
Coach Michael Burt, Monster Producer Academy CEO. He's a personal friend of mine.
What good is it to have knowledge with no desire? What good is it to have desire with no skill? What good is it to have knowledge and skill with no confidence?
A big part of activating your prey drive is finding and refining your talent. This is something that helps you get to the next place.
People are made up of 4 parts: a body, a mind, a heart, and a spirit.
You need to know you, and then you need to have an awareness, and sometimes you don't even know what you need.
So all 4 parts of our nature have to be clicking. Your hard skill solves my problem. The bigger the problem, the more money people will pay to solve it.
Everything is valuable to your future. What I'm really paying you for is your past.
A monster producer combines multiple skills to dominate a market.
When you get to wake up every day and do what you love doing, man, it is hard not to be motivated.
They think at a higher ordinance than everybody else. They want to create new things.
I have a conviction about me, and that's the conviction that you feel when I talk, when I speak. It comes across as passion.
You got to learn how to connect to another person at such a deep level that it moves them. You have goals, you have targets, but you don't have a sense of urgency.
They're going to exchange money, energy. They're going to raise capital. They're going to start new businesses. There's going to be joint ventures.
I think your purpose finds you. It is activated. The word activate means to initiate.
Discipline, which is a derivative of the word disciple, which means to give yourself to a person or cause you believe in. Do you believe in your future, yes or no?
When we know better, we do better. Finding the problem that you are uniquely qualified to solve, and you don't know what problem you really solve for whom, then there is no big financial exchange right there. You should leave here thinking bigger today than when you came.
And I want to shake your hand and look you in the eyeball when you make this decision. Thank you. We'll see you in the back. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.